here guys in the reptile park and Bali bird park.
Here is the Bali bird.
I know.
Bali reptile.
Okay, we'll go first here in the Bali bird park.
Bye bye. Wave your hand.
Throw your hand like this, thumbs up, come on, and look up, look up. One more happy pose, happy pose. Okay.
Woo! Woo! Hi! Hello! This is the lily pad. Wow, she likes to play. Yeah. So they have the avian theater. We need to wear these glasses. The school glasses. Let me see you guys. Wow. You go down. So this is the theater we can watch here. What's your step?
It's not working. The TV's not working at all.
Not yet.
So far.
Hi. So cute.
You have to be strong.
Wow. Okay, there one and then one more. Oh wow, Kuya, look. Okay, wow. See, Kuya is not scared. Wow! Look at Kuya smile.
It's kind of loud. Please take the picture. Hiding!
Smile. Smile.
Just wipe,
Kuya,
open
smile.
your arm.
Like this. Do like this.
They're fighting.
Yes.
Oh, they don't fight.
Okay, one more maybe, just one.
This one, okay?
Please don't fight me.
Yeah.
Wipe here. Open wide. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Their nails are very sharp. Please help me. Please.
Look at my hair. What she's doing to my hair.
She's looking for something.
Maybe she's looking for lice.
Uy, bawa sirah aja.
It's okay, we put here the green one.
Yeah.
She's so heavy.
Okay.
Dali, I can't believe that I hold it more.
Okay.
Oh, you only look at uncle.
Then we have
So loud. I think she likes me.
Yeah, he seems like you.
Well, to begin this wild encounter, we have one of the biggest hospital of the Indonesia, tepatnya dari Pulau Kalimantan.
Thank you.
Coming out.
On my head.
okay.
Such as papaya and
Very
also
soft.
banana.
Like solo. She's very cuddly.
Matthew, pahingat sa Matthew.
Huh? Go with Kuya, go with dancing. Yes, dancing, we dance also. Sayo, sayo. Bird, Sayo, sayo. It likes it. She likes it.
Thank you so much. Wish you Merry Tatiana dan juga
Baba, ako na ni Paliton. Dance.
Hey everyone, now let's focus to Bruno, the big one. We are going to show you another hornbill behavior. He will try to catch the food. And it is how hornbill catch the insect in the forest. Everyone please help me count how many slices of fruit Bruno about to catch. You ready, trainer? Alright, start now. Go Bruno. He got 1, 2, next 3, and then 4, and 5. One bonus for Bruno. 6. He missed it. And good job. He got 6 slices of fruits this morning. And we didn't have to train Bruno to do this. He actually caught the food by following his instinct to survive just like in the wild. That's all for Bruno. So please once again round of applause for Bruno.
Clap, 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 clap.
So there is Sabu. This species belongs to the species of stork called the marabou stork.
Wow.
He has long leg and also long bill because these birds feed in a river, estuaries or swampland. Mainly feed on fish, shrimp and crustaceans. Now our trainer feed him fresh tilapia fish. Look, the head is bald. It is not because he is an old bird. Anyway, it is the natural characteristic. Okay, we have another water bird. His name is Milky, a milky stork.
Milky Way.
Alright, here's around you anyway. It's a rare stork in the wild and critically endangered list. So look how Milky has long skinny legs that looks like a supermodel. And I think models are copying Milky.
This is the biggest
But it can
bird.
run at speed up to 50 kilometers per hour.
Wow.
Not only can run fast, but the cassowary can jump up to 2 meters in the air.
Wow.
Dan ini adalah jenis burung kasuari. Kami beri nama Kiki. Jadi burung kasuari ini tidak bisa terbang ya, namun mampu berlari hingga kecepatan 50 km per jam. Tidak hanya mampu berlari cepat, namun burung kasuari mampu melompat hingga ketinggian 2 meter. Selama musim kawin, kasuari akan hidup bersama pasangannya. Right. Kiki bird, okay, bye-bye Kiki. Beautiful macaw, his name is Gabriel. This species comes from Amazon in South of America. But Gabriel was born here at the park and part of our successful breeding program. Gabriel really enjoy a good fly and usually we give him twice a day to spread his beautiful wings. Macaws have unique characteristics. They have a broad head, slim body, long tail and also fantastic color plumage. Not only have a beautiful appearance, but macaws also have amazing personalities. They are incredibly intelligent. And look how beautiful Gabriel really is. Okay. Alright, now what is that? So we have some bareback. Bareback is Balinese word for duck. And they are crossbreed between wild duck called the blibis with Indiana runner duck species. If you see bareback betutu on the menu, this duck is usually used and mixed with tamarind. They are also good as satides or special dish in Bali we call lawar. But our duckies here are the stars of the park.
Wow, look.
You probably go there and I will take your picture. Everyone go there. Yeah, go after the...
Oh. Be careful.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, people.
Yeah. Sumatira. Ah. Borneo. We'll go to Borneo. Very rare.
There is a crocodile inside. Be careful na.
Yeah. Look at the bird.
Sada kaya ko mo, no?
Oh, lami siya ba bird? Oh. Let's go to the birds of paradise. You go run first. There, go. Ah. Where? Oh wow! What is this?
That's Romy. The name is Romy.
What's her name?
Romy.
Oh, okay. Yani, look at that in the other side. Look, it's just drinking water. Isa ni ga, mura siyang ibit.
Nagko pa nasalo sa.
Hey, what is this fruit? Nice. Oh, parang itlog. Dalawang egg. 2 eggs. Oh, dang. Gabitay ko sa itlog. I don't know what is this kind of fruit. I don't know. Look. Wow. It's like a paradise, kitot. Flamingo. Muna siyang flamingo. Karon pa kita flamingo.
Oh, karon pa. Sa leader rin sige. Karon pa gid. First time sa tanang buhay.
The distribution of biscuits. Oh, this smells so much good today. So the distribution of biscuits are from India, Australia, until here in Bali. The well-adapted in urban area because they often get leftover.
Wow. Okay, you can take her a photo. Take her a
Go
photo.
like this.
That's okay. She's nice. You hold it. Just hold it down hand like this. Like Kuya.
Your nails are so sharp.
That's okay. Don't be scared. Okay.
It's gonna move.
Nice.
This is nice word.
Yeah, just like that.
On your arm.
It's nice.
Oh, that's nice. Wow. Just hold.
They're so sharp.
No, that's a top.
Just hold 2 hands together. Hold 2 hands.
Yeah.
Yes, like that. Just smile. Smile. Oh my God.
Hold it up. Hold up.
Smile. It's okay. Smile.
That's a plot.
Go away. It's okay. You can take a photo.
4.
I'm just doing a video.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Hey, look at the plant.
My God, snake again? Yeah!
Look, I want to hold it. I want to hold it.
Oh my God.
Let's go like that.
Stop liking me. Just touch, touch. Don't squeeze.
Kuya, don't squeeze kuya.
Where's the bones inside?
Inside all the body have bones like this.
Ribs, the blood.
What?
Hey, Kuya, not the saliva. That's the tongue.
Why?
Maybe she will like you. She will lick you.